Evening well, Jimmy Trevi. Roll the intro.
It's the Hippie Trev cooking show. What will he cook this time? Who knows? Let's sit back and see what he makes. So start cooking already, Trev, for fuck's sake.
Cooking with Hippie Trev. Right, well, we've just had a massive downpour. Oh my God, and someone was on the phone, a couple of weeks ago asked me how often we get hail. And I said, well, I've never seen hail here. Well, we just had a storm cell here that just left just a layer of hail, like big hail all over my lawn. The internet went out, and I just went in the house to check, and the whole ABN box is completely fried. Like, there's no lights on. I've just seen another comment on the Bigotham page that someone else is fried, so it means I've got no ABN, which means no Netflix or anything. I'm just hotspotting off the phone at the moment to get internet. But basically, the storm came through. It was a massive storm cell, had a couple of big thunderstorm hits, lightning hits, and it's just literally wiped my ABN box. There is no lights on the box. There was some lights on the box before. I went and had a look in the house, then the lights on the ABN are out. They're gone. They are fucking dead. And I don't know who I'm with Dodo, and I don't know who I'm supposed to ring or call to have that box replaced. But holy shit, 11 years, first time I've had that happen. So fucking hell, yeah, I feel a bit stranded. Anyway, all right, so this is cooking show number 19, and it's not even really a cooking show. This is let's how we have a snack kind of show tonight. I did notice there's some fresh avocados in the supermarket today, so what I've decided to do, so I went to the supermarket today, there was fucking no food. Like, nearly all the shelves are just about empty. The freezer down the back with all the ice cream, that also dead empty. Like, holy shit, anyway, so that one's very soft. So anyway, I'm going to do what I think is that one's hard. All right, we won't have that one. Oh wait, this one's really soft, hopefully it's not brown inside. So we'll slice that avocado open. Splitting. That's not too bad. Pop out a nice big seed. This is going to be a very short video. Then we get our Tabasco sauce. I can't see that probably. So there's our Tabasco sauce. A couple of drops of Tabasco sauce in there, just like that. And then eat. You can smell the Tabasco. Give it a bit of a mush up. There you go. Oh, beautiful. Bit more Tabasco sauce. Let's point down a bit. Bit more Tabasco sauce in there, like that. Tabasco sauce and avocado. There's a snack. You don't need anything else. Look at that. Absolutely fucking delicious. Yum. That is really good. A bit more Tabasco sauce. Get the last of the avocado. I don't normally eat on camera. And there you have it. I've still got this half to go. Right, so that's all you really need. A couple of really nice ripe avocados. Little bottle of Tabasco sauce, you've got yourself a snack. So anyway, Walt, like I said, I'm not sure what's going to happen with my internet. The ABN box is completely lights out. It's completely fucking fried. I don't know when I'm going to get my internet back, which means I'm going to have to, if I want internet, I'm going to have to use my phone 24 hours a day. Or I'm not sure when I'm going to get my internet back, which means I have to hotspot off my phone the whole time. At least that's still working, but my ABN box is absolutely fried. I guess I'll ring Dodo tomorrow and see what they can do for me, but they only hand the modems out. I don't know who replaces the ABN boxes. I think that's got to do with Telstra, so maybe I'll ring Telstra and get hold of them and see what I have to be done next. So, because I really think, I'm not really sure, because Joe put the first internet on here and they came in and installed everything, the ABN box and everything. So someone said it's up to the provider to replace that box. I honestly don't know. No, it's after 6 o'clock now, so there's probably no point ringing Dodo. I might give him a call after this, just to see if anyone does pick up in technical support and just see if I can get another box organised. So, geez, I hope so, because I don't want to be relying on my phone for my internet the whole time. So anyway, well, as I said, just a very quick, not even a cooking show, just a quick snack show. So like I said, anyway, well, just a quick one tonight. So anyway, there you go. All you need is a couple of avocados, a little bottle of Tabasco sauce, and you've got yourself a snack. So anyway, stay safe, keep your knees in the breeze, and we'll catch you later. Bye.